Hi, welcome to Specifi. In this video, we will continue to look at the system design functionality within Specifi. The previous video in this demo series explained how to create and set up a proposal, including creating rooms and floors. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add products to your proposals, including how to navigate the product catalog, select products from suppliers, add global properties, set up installation time, adding input purposes, and finally, setting up project stages and adding it to a product. So, carrying on from our previous video on how to create a proposal, we're going to start here today. Just a reminder that a proposal on Specifi is anything that is not yet a confirmed project. As you can see, I have already created a proposal, which created a floor and a comms room. My rooms are currently empty, as I have not yet added any products to the project. If I was creating a Rayco lighting project, this comms room would automatically populate with the required kit based on the products I've specified. You can find out more about building a Rayco project in our knowledge base. For now though, we're going to add in some audio and some networking to this proposal. Starting in room 1 on the first floor, I'm going to make this the living room. Clicking on the edit room button, I can enter a new name and also add in some useful properties. I can add in the distance that this room is from the rack. If we set this up, this will set the cable length for our cable schedule, which can be produced automatically when the build of the project is complete. I can also add in the number of Ethernet points and phone points for reference. And finally, I can also add in a scope for this room in here, which is a really useful place to add in what work will be carried out for your client. If completed, this will be added to the sales quote. Now that I have this set up, I am ready to start adding products. If I click the products button on the room and then click add products, I am taken to the product catalog. Along the top you can see you have some options. The first option is product categories. This displays all the product categories available on Specifi. You can switch between showing products from only your suppliers or showing all of the products from all suppliers on Specifi by using the options on the right, all suppliers and only my suppliers. Back to the menu at the top, the next option is product bundles. Product bundles are created by you and saved here to be added to proposals. They are a selection of products that you frequently use together that you would like to offer your client. You can learn more on how to create product bundles in our products demo video, which can be accessed on our knowledge base. The next option on this screen is favorite products. This is pretty self-explanatory, but here you will have a list of products that you have starred as your favorites. You can add products to your favorites as you shop by simply clicking the star on the top right hand corner of the image. To unfavorite it, click the star again. Favorites can also be edited in the products, but more on that in the products video. The next option is custom products. Custom products are added to Specifi by you when you need to add a particular product to your proposal that you wouldn't order from your Specifi suppliers. For example, if there was a particular TV or small electrical product that you were purchasing only once, you could add these as a custom product. You can learn on how to add custom products to your account in the products video. Recently used and recently viewed are self-explanatory, and these are recorded by Specifi as you use them. Back to the product categories, you have a few options here. You can use the different category squares to begin searching for a product, or you can filter brand or by category and also use the search bar. Today we're going to add some speakers to this proposal. Using the product categories, I'm going to scroll down to speakers. Here I am presented with a series of questions to narrow down the list what I am looking for. I'm going to put some in-wall speakers into this room, and I'm going to take a look at what is available to me in Triad. I like the look of these in-wall Mini 4 LCRs. This then opens a page that tells you a little about the products as well as the suppliers that you can purchase it from. I can purchase this Triad speaker from Control 4. If I had more suppliers selling this particular product, they would be listed here also. I select Control 4 and now I am taken to a page where I can add a quantity of the product. In this case, I'm going to select 3 of these in-wall speakers for a left, center and right setup. In global properties, you can edit some of the information that is presented on the sales quote for this particular product, such as the product description, and you can even override the product name. For example, if you prefer that your client doesn't see its given product name, you can change it to something generic such as Triad in-wall speaker. You can easily edit the customer's price for the product. Also, within global properties, there is the option to add the project install stage. If you use this option, it will make ordering by stage easy. This is when you raise a purchase order for each of your suppliers based on the stage your project is at. This is further explained in the purchase orders demo video. These stages need to be previously configured. I will explain how to do this now. If you have already watched the project stages demo video, then you can skip this part of the video to the timestamp on screen now. First step is to click on Proposals and Projects, then open the tab named Project Stages. Here, there will not be any stages configured yet. To get started, you need to click the Configure Stages button. In here, you can add the stages you'd like to use for the progress of your projects. Perhaps you already have stages that work for your company. For this example, I'm going to call my stages First Fix, Second Fix, Commissioning, Completed, and Maintenance. You have the option here to mark any of these stages as a completed stage. This means that when the project reaches this stage, it will update your dashboard's completed figure. You have now set up the Project Stages tab, and you can start to drag and drop your projects onto the corresponding stage. Back to the global properties section of adding a product to your proposal. The next step on this page is installation time. Here you have all of the job roles in your company listed. To set up job roles, you need to visit the Company Settings tab. You can learn all about adding team members and roles in our Company Settings demo video. You can add an approximate amount of time that will be spent on getting this product installed for each of the job roles that will be involved in the installation. The installation time will be totaled for you, and you can choose to add it to your proposal. It can also be increased or decreased later on. And finally, you're given the option to add an input purpose. Because I have 3 of these speakers, I have 3 separate input purposes. I'm going to call these left speaker, center speaker, and right speaker. Once I've finished this and confirmed these products, I can then click this button where it will take us back to the room so we can see that these speakers have been added. And it's that easy to add products to your proposals. To learn more about building proposals and other system design functionality within Specifi, keep watching the demo video series.